that looks great. It has gourds.
Look what I'm getting.
Yeah, remember Destiny used to come home.
Hey guys, so these are our pumpkins and gourds, and we got them a couple of weeks ago. So this is a green gourd, and my dad is going to dry it out, and he's gonna make it a maraca. This is mine, and this is also mine. I'm gonna make this a piggy bank, and I'm going to make this a little decoration. And my brother is going to make this an octopus. With the pumpkins, we don't really need to do anything because they don't really dry out. But when the gourds dry out, you might be wondering, like, what do you do with the inside parts? Well, when they dry out, they'll have these bumps. Like my dad's gourd is already a little bit dried out. So basically, it has these bumps right here. And basically, the inside dries out and it becomes like a hard shell. So it takes about a year for the gourds to dry out. And it's going to get moldy and disgusting first, but don't get grossed out and throw them away. That's the thing that's supposed to happen. And maybe when it's not so gross in the summertime, we might scrub it with some soap and water. But yeah, it takes about a year for it to dry out. And by the way, today is Halloween. So we're going to give you guys progress throughout the months. And at the end, we are going to show you guys us decorating them.
So you guys, I was just walking here like doing my thing. And then I saw the gourds, and my dad's gourd, I'm 100% sure that this was dark green. So I think it turned a little yellow. And mine got a little like smushy, squishy, like ew. And then my octopus got like, it has like these thingies on it. Do you see that? Ew. Guys, I'll be back. I need to wash my hands. This thing is giving me some germies.
And here's my brother's. It's kind of getting a little green and moldy around the sides here. So this is what the gourds / pumpkins look on December 2nd. I think we're gonna put them in the garage now because they're getting a little gross and moldy, and nobody wants that in my house. So guys, we were going to color these pumpkins with markers and Sharpie, but we didn't have the time to. So basically, yeah, gross, weird, discolored, and germy. Okay, well, yeah, that's what we should call them. So my dad is right now putting the gourds in this cardboard box, and make sure you do not put it in plastic box because then it will mold out. Do you remember these? They're the gourds. And this is my dad's, and it's hollow, as you can hear. And it's really light compared to what it was last time, and it was green last time. It's getting kind of moldy, so yeah. And this one, it's molding out, as you can see too, and it's hardening out too. The pumpkins aren't really doing anything, but this gourd, it's slowly drying out and slowly getting really dry. So that's what these gourds look like on January 28th, 2018. Hey guys, so it is October the 5th and 2018, and it's been around a year since we last checked on these, and I don't want to touch them, but I'll touch this one because as you can see, this one is still okay. That one is definitely a goner. This one, it may be good, and this one is definitely good. As you can see, it's like, it sounds hollow. And this one, the Morocco one, if you guys remember this one, it's hollow. It's still not exactly all the way hollow, but it's still hollow. You could hear it, like a maraca. My dad's going to clean them out, and let's see what they look like afterwards. And the ones that were under this one, which are these, they are definitely gone because they are a little pruned and they're gross looking. And I'm going to have my dad wipe them all down so that I can actually touch them. And here are the ones that survived through the whole pile of pumpkins and gourds and stuff. And my dad just wiped them all down and cleaned them, then washed them. And this one is the Morocco one, and you can definitely hear like the seeds inside of this one. And this one is still good. It did rot a little bit, but it's still good because it's hollow and very light, and it did turn out very good. And this one is not very hollow, it's not very light, but it's lighter than it was when we first got it. And it's like it, and we're keeping this one because it didn't rot at all. And I guess that ends our documentary of the pumpkin and gourds. And for a part 2, I'm not going to spoil it at all, but just as a little hint, it does involve colors. And these, of course.